Hello friends, this is again a cash book double column and it contains your cash and multiple bank account. Multiple means it has more than one bank account, that is your SBI and Punjab National Bank PNB. In one of the bank account it is a overdraft. Friends, what is the meaning of the overdraft? Overdraft means in the cash book it is a credit balance. That is, the balance is not favorable. That is, the balance is overdrawn. Suppose in your bank account it was 100 rupees. You issued a check of 150. The bank honored the check. Right? You have 100 rupees in the bank account and you issued a check for 150. Bank honored the check. That means bank paid the check. So 50 rupees is overpaid. That is your overdrawn. Right? It is a credit balance in the cash book. So in the cash book, Punjab National Bank has a credit balance of rupees 15,000. SBI has a debit balance. Debit balance means favorable balance, positive balance. That means that there is a cash with you. But here it indicates a loan, a liability, a credit for the business. So friends, this is a problem of double column cash book, but multiple bank account, that is your SBI and PNB. I am writing the question here. I have written that 4 entries and after this I will come out with more entries so that you will be knowing at the end of the problem the treatment of overdraft balance. If there is a overdrawn balance, overdraft balance, how to prepare a double column cash book. So friends, let us start with the problem. And in the cash book, you know, if the cash is coming, if there is a inflow of cash, if cash is coming to you, coming to the business, then it is debit. If the cash is going out, if the check is going out, if it is a outflow, then it is a credit. So all inflow are debit, all outflow are credit. So friends, let us start with the problem. This is cash in hand to balance brought forward. It is 20,000 cash, SBI 25,000, that is your positive balance, and PNB overdraft, this is 1/4 by balance brought forward, it is 15,000 overdraft balance. Right? Now we have cash deposited in SBI. That means the business cash is deposited in SBI. So bank balance will increase, cash balance will decrease. So SBI account, here SBI account, debit side will increase and cash, credit, cash will decrease. Cash is also a asset, asset decrease, that is credit, and bank increase, that is your debit, and the journal entry you can write this is your bank account bracket में SBI debit to cash, SBI account debit to cash or bank account debit to cash. So you go to the bank SBI, you write the other account, that is to cash account, it is 2000 cash deposited with SBI. So cash SBI balance will increase, cash will decrease. Here you write by bank. By bank you write the other account. In the SBI the other account is cash. In the cash the other account is bank, that is SBI. It is your 2000 cash. Since it is coming in the both sides debit and credit, bank to cash, therefore it is a contra entry. Please mention C. C stands for contra, that means it comes in the both sides of the cash book, right? Then comes CLASS-4 cash transfer rupees 1000 from SBI to PNB. That means money is transferred from SBI, so SBI will decrease, PNB will increase. Friends, the journal entry for the same will be, your PNB is the receiver, money is coming to PNB, so PNB account debit 1000 to SBI, this is also 1000. So PNB account debited to SBI 1000. That means your PNB account debit, write the other account, that is to SBI bracket में transfer, it is transfer. So it is transfer, it will come in the 1000 in the PNB, and here also it will come by PNB bracket में transfer. This comes to your SBI 1000. This is transfer of funds from one to other bank, right? So the next entry, goods sold 10,000, 10% trade discount. So 10,000 is the sale, trade discount will not come anywhere in the accounts. So your entry will be 10,000 minus 10%, it comes to your 9,000, right? And we received a check of PNB, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का चेक उन लोग को मिला है, because there is two bank, so he received the check, he can deposit this in Punjab National Bank, he can deposit this also in SBI. Received a check, deposited in PNB. Friends, when you are getting a check from a customer, from a purchaser, you get the check, You can deposit the check in your SBI account. You can deposit the check in Punjab National Bank account. So he has deposited the check in Punjab National Bank. So that means your Punjab National Bank will be debited because the check is deposited in the Punjab National Bank and it is a sale. It is a cash sale because you are getting the check and you are selling the goods. So it is a cash sale for rupees 10,000 minus 10% 9,000. So friends, we will write here to sales. This is your 9,000 will go to your Punjab National Bank. This is 9,000 sales. Let us come to other entries. On 15th, purchased goods from K for rupees 12,000. Goods purchased from K rupees 12,000. Friends, so this is a credit purchase because the name is given. If name is given, if it is stated it is a credit purchase, any one if it is there, then it is a credit purchase. Here name is given, therefore it is a credit purchase. So in case of credit purchase, purchase account is debit because it is an expenditure. Purchase debit to K account. K is the supplier. You have to pay the supplier for rupees 12,000. It is a liability. It is a credit. It is a liability for the company. So journal entry will be, you can write it, purchase account debit to K account. Purchase account debit to K account. So if there is a purchase, the purchase account debited to K account, friends, it will not come in the cash book. You can give a note at the end of the problem after this cash account is balanced. You can give it a note, that is on 15/4 it is a credit purchase, therefore it will not be recorded in the cash book. So you can give it a note. Note will be, it is a credit purchase and it will not come in the cash book. Right? This you can write it as a note after the problem is complete. Then we will come to your 18/4. We will get paid K for rupees 11,500 by cash and discount allowed by him rupees 500. Paid K. We had purchased the goods from K rupees 12,000. Now paid K. That is, business is paying K for rupees 11,500. This is the payment to K, and discount allowed by him. Who will allow the discount? The supplier. The supplier allows the discount to the business. How much? Rupees 500. If you see the journal entry, I can write it. The journal will be your K account debit 12,000 to bank, to cash, because it is paid in cash account 11,500 to discount received, it is 500. Friends, cash account is credited with rupees 11,500. So go to the cash account, credit side, write the 11,500, put the date here. This is your 18/4. This is 18/4, and you just write the other account, that is your by cage account. So this is 11,500. Discount will not be written there because it is a double column cash book. Had it been a triple column cash book, then discount will come. But it is a double column cash book. Triple column is not in your syllabus. So you go to the cash account credit side, write the 11,500 and write the other account, that is the cage account. Right? So write the debit one, that is cage account. So this is, you paid the K. The next entry you can write on 24 entry, cash withdrawn for personal use rupees 1,000. Cash withdrawn for personal use rupees 1,000. So when you are withdrawing cash, that means it is a drawings, personal use. When the proprietor, when the owner taking the money for personal use, it is a drawings. When the owner contribute to the business, when the owner pays to the business, contributed to the business, it is a capital. So owner has got two names. One is your capital, another one is your drawings. So here the owner is taking money from the business for personal use. The journal entry will be drawings account debit 1,000 to cash. This is also 1,000. You can write here 24 by drawings. By drawings account, this is your 1,000 cash. 1,000 cash. So by drawings account, on 25th, received a post dated check rupees 5,000 deposit in SBI, check date is your 5/5/2023. फ्रेंड्स, ये पोस्ट डेटेड चेक रिसीव किया and the check is deposited on 5/5. We are preparing the cash book for April. And the date of the check is 5/5/2023. So in the April you cannot deposit this check into the bank, into SBI, because the check date is in the May and we are preparing the cash book for your April. So friends, in this case the journal entry is check in hand, debit rupees 5,000 check in hand to receive post dated check atop from Mr. R. So to Mr. R account rupees 5,000, check in hand rupees 5,000, to Mr. R account rupees 5,000. Friends, it will not come in the cash book because we are preparing the cash book for the month of April. It is a check which will be deposited on 5/5/2003, not before that. Therefore, this particular thing will be given as a by way of note. So in the note you have to write the journal entry, that is check deposited 5,000 post dated check. Just you can copy it in the note. That will be note number 2, because the credit purchase we have taken one note. So it will be note number 2 that will be given at the end of the problem. It will not come in your cash book in the month of April, because it is a transaction to be entered in the month of May, 5th May. Therefore, it will not come in the April. So please remember, but don't forget to give a note and give the journal entry in the note itself. Right? Another one, that is your 34 paid wages for rupees 10,000 outstanding wages rupees 2,000 by check SBI. Paid wages 10,000 by check SBI. Outstanding wages 2,000. Here there are two concepts. One is your payment of wages by check from SBI. So wages is an expenditure. Wages account debit. This is your 10,000 to bank. We can write it SBI. This is your SBI. This is 10,000. Right? So wages account debited to bank. Go to the bank, cash book, bank column, SBI. SBI is credit. So in the credit side, you first write the date. You write the amount, how much it is in the bank. The bank is 10,000. From SBI it will go 10,000. Write the other account, that is your wages. So wages account. This is your 10,000. Right? 34 also paid LIC for rupees 1000 from check of SBI. Here also it is a LIC payment. Friends, when it is a life insurance corporation, it is a personal thing. It is not a insurance for the business. It is a insurance for the proprietor. So for the proprietor, the business is paying the LIC premium. So it is a personal expenditure. Personal expenditure of proprietor. Personal expenditure of owner. So it is a drawings. We can write drawings account debit. This is 1000 to bank SBI. It is also 1000. Right? Now we can write 34 by drawings SBI 1000. Okay, so this is the journal entry here. Now our job is to balance the account. How to balance the account? As I have told you, those side which is higher. Suppose this is a cash. Let us see the cash debit and cash credit. If you see the debit, it is 20,000. If you see the credit, it is 14,500. Right? So debit side is higher. So you take, go to the last. Here the higher side we are writing 20,000. Here also we will write the higher side 20,000. Okay, 20,000, 20,000. Here it is your 14,500. So go to the last date by balance CD. If you 20,000 minus 14,500, it comes to 5,500. Okay. So this is the balancing figure. Carried down means continue to the next period. It will continue to the next period. Let us come to SBI. SBI debit is 27,000. It is higher. 27,000 SBI debit. And credit is only 1,000, 10,000, 1,000. It is 12,000. So debit is 27,000. Credit is 27,000. We have to write. First you write the total. 27,000. Here it is 12,000. The balancing figure will be 15,000 balance. So the SBI closing balance will be 15,000 to be carried forward to the next period. Then we will come to your Punjab National Bank. Debit is only 10,000. Credit is 15,000. So credit is higher. You just write 15,000 here. Wherever higher, you please write that one. You write 15,000 here also. Okay. So here 15,000. Here also 15,000. You write 34 to balance CD. It is 5,000. So to balance CD, it will be carried forward. The credit balance, it is also overdraft. the credit balance is carried forward to the next period. That is your 5,000. Here it is 15,000. Here it is 10,000. Therefore, the balancing figure is 5,000. This is the debit balance because debit side is higher, right? So we will write 1,5. We can write 1,5. Here to balance BD. In the cash we will write 5,500. In the bank we will write 15,000 SBI, right? Here also we will write on 815 by balance BD. This balance will come 5,000. Okay, so this balance will come here, it will come here, and this balance will go here. Here credit side was more, it is a credit balance, therefore it comes in the credit. It is a debit side was more here, it is a debit balance, it comes in the debit side, right? So this is how we can close the books of account. Friends, this is a multi-column, that is your multi-bank account, and we shall continue with more such problem in the next classes. And if you like the video, please subscribe and offer your comments. That will go a long way to increase the interest and interface. I will come out with all the solution of all varieties. This problem is especially very important for those who will be appearing for your higher secondary, CBSE and ISC class 11. Also those who are appearing for CA foundation, this problem is also important to CA CMA foundation. So friends, thank you. Meet you in the next class.